Hello and welcome to this course curriculum overview. In this video, we are going to take a brief look at the content that we will be learning in this course. Let's go ahead and get started. First, the course begins with an introduction section. This includes an overview, a discussion on Python 2 versus Python 3, and a lecture on how best to approach to this course to maximize your benefit from it. After that, we will move into the Python setup section. We will learn how to install Python on our computer, how to choose the right environment, and how to use the Jupyter Notebook system. We will also provide access to the additional learning resources online, and you will get a brief overview of Git and GitHub. Next, we'll dive into the live code section. Here you will learn about objects and data structure basics, including numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, files, sets, and booleans, all in Python. After each lecture, there will be quizzes to test your understanding. At the end of this section, there is an assignment to test so you can check your knowledge of these topics. Afterward, we will move to this section on comparison operator. You will learn about both basic operator and chain comparison operator. With this section also end with the quiz to test your understanding. Then we'll cover Python statement, including if statement, for loop, while loops, the range function, and the list comprehension, all in Python. This section will also have an assignment test to the end to evaluate your understanding. Next up, we'll dive into methods and functions, what they are, and how to create them. We'll also cover lambda function, nested statement, and scope in Python. To top it off, there will be a homework assignment to test your understanding of methods and functions. After that, we'll create our first milestone project. There will be a game with Python. Then we will move to the object-oriented programming, where you will learn about object, classes, method, inheritance, and special method, all in Python. There will be a homework assignment at the end of this section to reinforce your understanding. Following that, we'll cover error and exception handling in Python, including what error and exception are, and how to use try except, and finally to handle them. We'll wrap up with a test to check your knowledge so far in this course. Next, you'll work on your second milestone project, where you will create a more complex game, all in Python. Afterward, we'll learn about models and packages in Python. We'll learn how to create them, install them from the internet, and explore the Python ecosystem in general. Then we'll move on into the built-in function in Python, such as map, reduce, filter, zip, enumerate, all and any, and even how to deal with complex numbers. At the end of this section, there will be a final assignment to test to check your understanding of built-in function. Next, we'll learn about decorator in Python through a 3-part series, ending with a homework assignment. After that, we'll cover Python generator, including discussion on iteration versus generation, how to generate or to create generator, and another homework assignment to test your knowledge of Python generator. Finally, we'll bring everything together in a final capstone project. But that's not all. There is also an advanced bonus section, including sections on advanced Python model and advanced Python objects and data structure. So you can level up your knowledge. We regularly add new content to this section with dozens of lectures. You will also get access to the community forum and dedicated help from me, your instructor. So that's the entire course curriculum overview. Let's go ahead and get started with the course. Thank you, and I will see you on the next lecture.